Gear controls.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Have you done some S-turns?
I have not. I've seen it done.
We can use, that's kind of a windy road to use as an S-turn, but we can still use it if you want. We could.
There's actually a road right here if you want it that I've seen them use along this golf course.
All right. It's not super important, but you normally start on the downwind. So if you want to go and get to where maybe we'd make our first turn go in this direction.
Okay.
And the key is, so when you come across the road, you want to be perpendicular.
Okay.
So just imagine that it's kind of like circles, but just kind of half of a circle.
Half circles. Get
yourself lined up perpendicular as you're coming across.
Yeah, so see this road right here?
Yep.
That's the one I was going to use.
Okay. So maybe we can go out there kind of towards those power lines.
Above them?
Above the golf course, and then come in and make your first turn, like you'll be headed this direction, make your first turn to the right.
Okay. What should I be keeping my speed at? Between 60 and 70 or?
No, I would go between 70 and whatever you're comfortable. 75's good.
Okay. I see that the gauge reads yellow, so I always try to keep it out of there. It's like,
yeah.
So I'm going by that, so unless you want me going by that.
That's fine. If you want to do 70's good.
Okay.
The yellow's fine. It's just where when it's real turbulent is when you would just stay in the green.
Okay.
We're losing some altitude, so add some power.
I'm trying to keep it there. There.
Yeah, we're only at 1700 on our.
So let's get some more quantity in. Bring it back to 60. No, now it's not 60.
It's not really that long of a road. This is the one they use right there?
Yeah, that's what
okay.
it uses.
Cool.
Which one?
All right, so let's go for 19, maybe at least 1900 feet.
Okay.
And about 70 miles an hour, 70 knots. And so you'll consider yourself going across now.
Okay.
And we'll
start my turn after I cross it.
Yep. Get yourself enough that you're making a circle, kind of similar to that one that we did. Maybe a little bit smaller, but so you start making your turn, and then again we're going to be crabbing a little bit to go out that way.
Okay.
Until by the time you get back to the road, you want to be perpendicular, so you got to do a pretty sharp turn to get back on.
I turned too short.
I'd probably do a do-over.
Yeah. All right, let's try it again.
Yeah. And you can go ahead and just start on this side.
Okay.
See, I would take it probably about to where that building, yeah, the building, the overpass, kind of start making your turn here and bring it.
But now?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so we're on the top half of the circle right now.
Yeah.
So you just want to get yourself to where you're, you get to the.
You're just perpendicular as you're crossing.
Yeah. You're in a little bit of a dive, so let's pull our stick back. Kind of give it a little more left so that as you're going over the road, you're just
Okay.
like that. There you go. Beautiful.
All right.
It's kind of a small road. I would probably practice on something a little longer so you should be able to do at least 3 S-turns or so in the space that we're practicing.
And that's when I started this.
Right.
And then airspeed, I kind of went into vapor lock. That's why I gave you the aircraft. So I was like, I stopped because I wasn't watching that. I was like, trying to figure out the muscle memory with the, you know, the takeoff part and all stuff. And it just, it's like, you need to take it. So
I think your rotor RPMs will usually be about 300 when you're about ready to take off, and our miles per hour would be about 60.
yeah. Like when you start to expect the wheel balance.
Yeah, you'll get the wheel balance before then, but you could lift off the ground. And when you have 60 is when you can be flying.
Okay.
Yeah, I normally feel the wheel balance as soon as you're starting to balance after once you've added power and you're starting to kind of have the stick a little more forward, you'd be balancing on your wheels at that point until you're about 60 is when you'll lift off.
Okay.
I'd go ahead and turn.
You 1A Romeo, begin your right turn.
Go ahead, make
Right turn, 1A Romeo. Sarah 2 Papa Golf, runway 26 right, clear to land.
What do you say?
Say again, 2 Papa Golf.
Runway 26 right, clear to land, 2 Papa Golf.
26 right, clear to land, say that.
26 right, clear to land, 2 Papa Golf. Go south to Sierra Sierra, follow Cherokee off your right, for the right crossing.
All right, who's
right
landing?
traffic, runway 200 off.
You are. I'll take it as far as I can.
Okay.
But yeah.
The tower system, November 237, Charlie Alpha, at the runway 26 right, ready for departure.
Transit 323, Charlie Alpha, Chino Tower, full up to hold short, runway 26 right.
Hold short, runway 26 right, 7 Charlie Alpha.
All right, we got some dudes waiting for us.
I'll speed it up a little bit here.
Chino Tower, 624 Charlie Foxtrot, 26 right at pop-up, ready for takeoff. We have Charlie Alpha in front of us, we'll be here in sequence.
64, ready to pull behind us.
Under behind Charlie Alpha, 624 Charlie Foxtrot.
Helicopter 320, runway 200 Alpha, clear to land.
Land 2 north of Alpha, over Seattle.
Cherokee 1A Romeo, I'll call base.
Call base 1A Romeo.
Okay, my controls?
Your controls.
All right, my controls.
Cherokee 1A Romeo, change runway 26 left and contact tower 120.12, 2012.
2012, 1A Romeo.
For 26 left.
26 left, 1A Romeo.
Thanks.
Chino Tower, helicopter 220, Mike Hotel, 9 miles east from Mount Riverside, 2,200 for landing over north.
230 Mike Hotel, Chino Tower, Roger. You can enter a left base for the northeast ramp, follow 15.
Follow 15 and left base over for northeast ramp, 220 Mike Hotel.
So Mike Hotel, thank you. Traffic 12 o'clock in a mile and a half northbound, SOB inbound to Chino, plan to follow them.
Alright, we're looking for that traffic here, Mike Hotel. Chino Tower 1A Romeo, right turn to 26 left.
1A Romeo, contact tower 120.12, 2012.
2012. Chino Tower 912, Papa Fox, ready for takeoff in order.
912 Papa Fox for number 3. Papa Golf to right at Delta, ground point 6.
I'm point 6 to Papa Golf.
Sorry about that.
Sorry.
7 Charlie Alpha, right crossing approved, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
26 right, takeoff, 7 Charlie Alpha.